Do this again. I filmed this video 3 times. I don't know what's going on. The devil's working hard, but I'm in a good mood today, and this is gonna work. All right, this is gonna work. What up, everybody? I am the Mademoiselle, and this is my channel. And today we are going to be doing a subscribers rate my hair. And today's sponsor is Nadula hair. All right, if you like this hair, make sure you check out everything down in the description box below. I have all the specs, all the details. Now, contrary to popular belief, this is a sew-in. Okay, not a wig. Sew-in, not a wig. Now, I haven't had a sew-in in a whole year. Last time I had a sew-in was for Dia's wedding. And yeah, I'm not really a fan of sew-ins. I don't like sew-ins. However, I'm on this whole situation where I want to like get to bra strap length with my hair, and my hair does a lot better either when I manipulate it a lot or where I don't touch it at all. My hair is very weird. So I decided I'm not gonna touch my hair at all. So expect more wigs, weaves, all that shit, because I need to get my hair to bra strap length. Okay, I want it. I want it now. And then I'm just gonna chop it off anyway, so yeah, there's that. Now let's get into the pros. So I have 3 Peruvian curly bundles in my hair right now, and then I have a closure. It's not a full frontal, it's just a closure. It's just like right here. And honestly, so far I really like this hair. It's been about like what, 2 weeks, give or take. I love this hair. Like, I think it moves very well. I think it's really like flowy, but I'm really upset that I got it this short. The only reason I got it this short was because I had a vision for this gala that I was going to. That's the reason I got a sew-in the first place, because I had a gala to go to, and I only get weaves, like sew-ins done for special occasions, and I had this vision, okay? If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all already know I had this vision and I wanted to look like this. So if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, okay? Everything you need is gonna be down in the description box below. But basically, I wanted to look like this, and I was like, ooh, like I need this short hair. Like the short hair was in the vision. The short curly hair was in the vision. I was like, you know what? This is what I want. I'm gonna get it, and I got it. So I don't know, let me know what y'all think. Like, do y'all like it? Do you hate it? I like it. I did not cut this hair. I didn't do anything to it. It is like absolutely just like this. It's angled this way, which I really love. I love that it's angled this way and I didn't have to cut it to make it look like this. I didn't have to customize this sew-in at all. I didn't even do anything to the part, honestly. When I parted it, it came like this. I actually have a comparison with concealer, without concealer. I just put concealer in it. I was gonna pluck it, but I was like, for what? Like, I don't see the point. I felt like it looked pretty good in my opinion. I usually don't do parts. I don't even like middle parts, to be honest, but it went with my vision, like I said. I was gonna do a side part, but yeah, it just didn't look right. But all in all, I feel like you don't need to do much to this closure, which was good. I feel like you could just drop some concealer in there. If baby hairs is your thing, do some baby hairs and be on your way. Now personally, I'm not into baby hairs. I don't like baby hairs. I only like baby hairs on long wigs, like long curly wigs. Other than that, I'm not baby hair and shit. Like, I just don't see the whole point of the whole baby hair situation. Like, I like to baby hair my natural hair. I like to baby hair like hair that's mine, but when it comes to like wigs and weaves and stuff, like, it's very rare for me to do that unless like it's just like, ooh, I feel some baby hairs. Let me get some baby hairs popping, like, but it's very rare for me to do that. So for those of you that was like, oh my god, where's your baby hairs? Yeah, I don't really like them like that. And like I always say in my videos, I do not like to do the most to the hair. I like to think of a younger person purchasing this and just putting it in their head. I don't want to do much to it. I want to keep it as natural looking as possible, as in the way it comes out of the pack as possible, but make it look decent. You know what I mean? Let's get into the cons. Now, this is one con. It's a personal con. It's not anything that has to do with the hair. I don't like the way that these curls look against my face. I do not think it is the right curl pattern for me, and I feel like the only way that it would look good on me per se would be if it was like down here. I feel like this hair would look beautiful if it was like mad long, but that just wasn't the vision that I had with my dress. I wanted short curls, but now I think about it, I'm like, ooh, I wish this was right here, or at least just a tad bit longer, like right here. I think it would have looked so cute if it was just right here, like right here. I feel like it just would look so much cuter, but it's whatever. I got this in a 12-inch and it was like, you know what? Buy it. Forget it. I already did it. Nothing we can do here. This here sheds. This here sheds. It don't shed a lot to the point where it's like, oh my god, but it sheds to the point where it's like, where did this hair came from? Where did this hair come from? I had a whole hair hanging on my viewfinder. Where, how, I have no idea. Like, I'm just finding random hairs all over the place and it's very, very bothersome. Like, that's one thing that I find very, very odd about this hair. Like, it sheds, but it's like the type of shedding that you're not gonna know. It's not gonna shed in your hands from doing this because as you can see, oh, there's a hair right there. Do y'all see that? Yeah, see that. But most of the time, it's not going to shed if you run your hands through it. It's more so like just falling. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. Now the tangles. This is curly hair, so it is going to tangle. But these tangles are nothing that anyone can't deal with. I could run my hands through my hair perfectly fine. Now, under here, on the other hand, of course, it's going to tangle. It is a sew-in. That's just what tends to happen. It's happened to me with every sew-in I've had, with the exception of certain straight hair that I've had. But usually it does matte back here. But they're easy to comb out or just pick out with your hand. It's nothing too crazy where it's like, oh my god, like a tangle. It's never that serious. But it's really nice hair. See that? When you comb it out, it does get a little bit longer. Like it's a little bit like down here when you comb it out. I was going to try to straighten this. Do y'all want to see me straighten this? I'm going to try to straighten this. Let me know. Comment down below. Do you want me to straighten this? I want to see what it's going to look like. I want to see if it's going to look cute or what if I straighten this. I don't know. If I straighten it, it's going to take a while. It's probably going to be in the next 2 weeks or whatever. But let me know. Overall, I give this hair a solid 8. Okay? I love this hair. I just feel like the curl pattern wasn't for me. I feel like it sheds too much. And I also feel like it's just a little bit too... like it's a little bit too shiny. Like it was just ridiculous. Like when I first got it done, it was super shiny, but I think that was because of the spritz and the mousse. And then like over the days, the shine just didn't dull down. Like it just stayed shiny. Now it's not as shiny as it was when I first got it, but it's just way too shiny for me. Like it makes it look synthetic, it makes it look fake. But it's funny because like on my live streams and in pictures it doesn't look like that, but on camera it does. So it could just be my light. I don't know if it looks like that in person. I haven't asked anyone like, does my hair look shiny to you? I haven't asked anyone about that. But I think that it's nice hair, honestly. Overall, I think it's nice hair. If you need something affordable that's good quality, I definitely suggest Nadula hair. So let's get into what my subscribers think. Alright, so we got, I looked at some of these already. So 7 looks good, but would prefer if the closure looked more natural. 6, I'm so used to seeing your hair, the texture looks weird on you. I feel like this texture looks weird on me too. I was saying that earlier. I didn't really like this wig at all. I would like to see a kinkier texture on you, closer matching your natural hair. It's not a wig, it's a sew-in. It's a sew-in. It clearly says sew-in. This is a sew-in, not a wig. I don't understand why people don't read. Let's scroll. Let's scroll. Let me just close my eyes and just keep scrolling. You look like a snack. 10, yes, looking good, really like this one. 10, and they hating if they say otherwise. Ooh, this is much better. 10 is way better than the first one. Y'all some haters. I liked my first one. I liked my first one a lot. 7, 10, 10s across the board. I say you look great, mademoiselle. It's a 10, sister. 10, 10. I love curls and volume on you. Slay love. 10, I love it. 10, I love it. I would have liked it a lot more if the frontal was natural, but nevertheless I love it on you. 8.5. 11, system curls is popping, natural and natural. It has that natural look and it really looks good on you. 1,000. You're funny. I can't do it. I have to like that. That's funny. Whoa, damn, whoa. How are you even real? 10 out of 10. I love this on you. 9. 9, the wavy texture looks amazing on you. I really don't think it looks that great. I don't like this texture on me at all. However, I do think like overall, like, you know, I pull it together, but I will never probably do a Peruvian curly texture again. I just don't think it looks good on me. I'll give it a solid 8.74. What in the world? Like 8.74? You can't just say like an 8 or a 9. 8.74. On what basis? On what basis? I'm gonna have to like that just because it's funny. A 10, really suits your face and just looks like something you would wear. A 10, love those curls. A 10, you look really good in this. You already know that you're beautiful no matter what. 9 out of 10, looks so natural. This is much better than that wig, sis, thank God. I don't know which wig they're talking about, but I liked all my wigs, thank you very much. Haters! So, you know, let me stop. Y'all not haters, I'm just joking, Okay, your hair always on point. I didn't even know what I'm going to do with my hair when I become an adult. I'm dead. Let's scroll some more. 9.9999. Yup, girl, yes. For real, a 10, you look good, sis. Oh, sis. Loving it, queen. 8, it looks super duper nice and really suits your face shape with the length and cut, but the front, the closure is a bit too fake close up. Also, I love the dress. Oh my gosh, you have such nice style. Oh, thank you very much. But yeah, I'm very lazy with closures. If y'all ain't noticed this by now, I don't care. We all know it's not my hair anyway. Slade closure or not. 9, I don't like it, to be honest. I'm not hating. I just think it defines, I just don't think it defines your face the right way. So a 6. Yes, I was saying the same thing. 10 out of 10 slay. 10 hashtag Haitian. 7.8 wish it was an inch or two longer. In some angles it looks natural, others it doesn't. Yo, you so right. You so right. I wish it was longer too. I don't know why I got a 12. I feel like I should have got a 14 now. You know what? For future reference, if I ever get a short curly bob again, I'm gonna get a 14 inch. Hopefully that works. Not feeling the closure, 7.5. Slay sis, 8.5. 9, 10 out of 10. Looks wiggy, not natural at all. I give it a 7. An 8, somehow you make it work. I don't like that style or shirt curly hair, but it's adorable on you. 10, sis, you already know that's a 10. I meant to tell you that a few videos ago. You go. Alright, I think that's enough for right now. Oh, and the last one is a 10. That's enough. That's enough. Y'all get the point. So far I got a lot of 10s, which was a shock. I didn't think anybody was gonna give me a 10, but thank you. I had a lot of 8s and I had a lot of 7s as well. I didn't get that many 9s, but I saw a lot of 7s, 8s, and 10s. Overall, like I said, I give this a solid 8. Okay, I give it a solid 8 because overall it's good quality hair for a good price, to be completely honest with you. It's very affordable, and you know, listen, if you need that hookup, everything you need is down in the description box below. If you like this hair, you already know where to go. Okay, down in the description box below. Let me know what you guys think about this hair down in the comment section below. Do you love it? Do you hate it? How do you feel about this? Should I get more curly bob situations? I don't know. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, do all that, and I'm gonna see y'all next time.